In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy tables in Notion. If you've ever wanted to experiment with changes, create a quick template, or preserve your original data while trying something new, duplicating a table is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through how to copy both inline tables and full-page tables. And I'll share a simple shortcut to make it even quicker. First, locate the table you want to copy in your workspace. Inline tables live inside a page, alongside text and other blocks. Full-page tables open as their own page with a dedicated view. Knowing which one you are looking at helps you get to the right menu. If your table is inline, move your mouse over the table until you see the small 6-dot handle appear on the left side. This handle is the block menu. Click it to open the options for that table. From this menu, choose Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a copy of the table, keeping the original exactly as it is. This is perfect when you want to try new filters, properties, or layouts without risking any changes to your main table. If your table is a full-page database, look to the top right corner of the page for the 3-dot menu. This is the page menu that controls actions for the entire database page. Click it. Then select Duplicate. The result is the same. Notion makes an exact copy that you can work on independently. Here is also a quick shortcut. Click to select the table block or make sure the table page is active. Then press Ctrl-D on Windows or Cmd-F-D on Mac. This instantly duplicates the table without opening any menus. If it doesn't work right away, double-check that the table itself is selected and not just a cell inside it. When the copy is created, it will appear directly below the original in your page or as a new page, depending on where you duplicated it. The copy includes your views, properties, and any existing data. From here, you can safely make changes, knowing the original won't be affected. Edit columns, adjust filters, switch views, and experiment with calculations or relations. Every modification you make to the copy stays in the copy, which makes this a reliable way to iterate quickly and keep your workspace organized. That's all there is to it. Find your table, open the right menu. Choose Duplicate or use the shortcut if you prefer speed. Simple, consistent, and a real-time saver. Thanks for watching.